Good morning, class. Welcome to you all. So in last class, we discussed we listened a story about the Puru, the brave king of the India. Okay. So today, according to that lesson, today we are going to complete the textbook exercises. So all of you open your textbooks, page number 44. Okay. Page number 44 you can open and see. So I already given you the CW question and answers and glossary also. So now you see the Roman number 2, the textbook exercises. Tick the correct answers. Here they are given some options, children. So these we have to complete in the textbook now. So you can follow me and complete the textbook now itself only. Okay. See the first one. Alexander asked his soldiers to remove the chains of Puru because Alexander asked his soldiers to remove the chains of the Puru because. So why he asked the soldiers to remove the chains of Puru? Why? Because here they are given 4 options. First one, he was sympathetic to Puru and he did not like a brave man like Puru in chains, and Puru requested Alexander to remove his chains, and Alexander did not dare see Puru in chains. Okay, so the correct answer is option B. Why? Because the Alexander did not want to see the brave man like Puru in chains. So correct option is option B. Next, second one you see, Puru did not accept Alexander's proposal to be a vassal because. Puru did not accept the Alexander proposal to be a vassal because of why he did not accept the proposal. Option, he was very proud, he was very brave and patriotic, he was not very wise, he did not brave respect for Alexander. So here also the correct option is option B again. Okay, so Puru was very brave and patriotic, so because of that reason he did not accept the Alexander's proposal. Next, third one, Alexander made friends with Puru because Alexander want to make friend the Puru. Why? Because. See the options. Puru accepted that Alexander was really great and Alexander wanted to make use of Puru's service. Alexander liked Puru's bravery and self-respect. Alexander was very kind. Okay, so the option is C. Correct option is option C. Alexander liked Puru's bravery and self-respect. Okay, next one, option fourth one you see, Alexander was really great because. Why Alexander was really great? He defeated Puru, he made friends with a brave king like Puru. He defeated Puru, set him free, respect him and made friends with him. He was the conqueror of all the world also. So here the correct option is option C again. Okay, why? Because Alexander was very a great king because he defeated Puru, but even though he set him free and he made the friend of him. Okay, so because of this Alexander was a very great king. Okay, so you should complete these 4 children. And next page you see vocabulary. You see here, pick out the antonyms from the text for the words given below. Here they are given some words, children. For these words we have to pick up the antonyms from our lesson. Okay, so these you have to write in CW also, these antonyms. Okay, only antonyms should write. First one, victory. So for the victory, what is the antonym? Victory means some winning. Okay, so victory. For this antonym is defeat. Defeat. Okay. Next one, timid. 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 What is antonym for timid? Humble. Oh, sorry. Timid, brave. Timid, brave. Next, humble. Humble. Next, for the humble, what is the antonym? Cruel. Okay, next, accept, reject. Accept, reject. Next, dependent, independent. Okay, so these again you have to write the antonyms from your study material. Write in CW. After the question and answers, write these antonyms in your CW from the study material. Okay, now second Roman you see, fill in the blanks in the following paragraph with the words given in the box. Okay, here they are given some words, children. These we have to fill again in that given paragraph. Okay, see here. I know that I know that you are very dash and dash of the position you hold. But I am really dash to know that you feels as though you have dashed the world. These days nobody is being dash by the other. I would like to make a dash so that you will dash humble and dash. I hope my words dash your imagination and you will dash me as your teacher. Okay, so here we have to fill the given words in the box. Okay, see, I know that you are very skillful. I know that you are very skillful and worthy of the position you hold. Again, children, I know that you are very skillful and worthy of the position you hold, but I am really amazed. But I am really amazed to know that you feel as though you have conquered the world. Conquered means getting the complete world, so won the total world, like that. Okay, so but I am really amazed to know that you feels as though you have conquered the world. These days nobody is being frightened by the other. These days now nobody is being frightened by the other. I would like to make a proposal so that you will remain humble and lawful. Okay, so I would like to make a proposal so that you will remain humble and lawful. I hope my words capture your imagination and you respect me as your teacher. Okay, these also you have to fill, children. So by using the given words in the boxes, okay, everybody should complete this one also again in the textbook. Okay, so here you see, here they are given some grammar part. Okay, next here you see in your textbook, look at the following words from the text one: independent and difference. Here you see the word precaution consists of two parts, in and independent. Okay, so if you take the independent, so there are two words: independent prefix plus root. Okay, the word dangerous consists of two parts, differ and difference. Okay, actually the word dangerous consists of two parts, differ and difference. So there also some root is there and suffix. Differ is the root and ends is the suffix. Okay, so here in your textbook they are given some words in the boxes, children. Actually this page was not there in our PDF. Okay, so you can follow from the textbook only. So here you see in that boxes they are given, everybody should follow the textbook, children. Add appropriate prefixes or suffixes to the following roots to make the new words. Okay, the first one is done for you. So here you see first prefix they are given dis and root is the courage. So we are getting the new word as the discourage. Okay, and second one active they are given. So prefix, what is the prefix we have to write here? Inactive. The new word is inactive. Okay, and next one legal they are given, legal. So for that what is the prefix we have to write here? Legal, illegal, illegal. Okay, so next one able. So what is the prefix here? Unable. Okay, and next one believe they are given, believe. So prefix is disbelieve. So the new word is disbelieve. Okay, next roots they are given, suffixes we have to write here. So prefix means, prefix is the before for the word, suffix is the after the word. Okay, so suffixes we have to write here. First one they are already completed for us. So kingdom. Next rich they are given, so suffix ness, richness, 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 richness. Next one bravery, 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 bravery. Next fame as famous, fame as famous. Okay. Next boyhood, 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 boyhood. Okay, so like that we have to fill the table. These also you have to fill from your material only, study material you can follow to fill this one. Okay, next fill in the blanks in the following sentences with suitable forms after adding a prefix or suffix of the word in the brackets. Okay, so here you see children. So first one, he was acting in a very dash way. He was acting in a very dash way. In the bracket they are given child. He was acting in a very childish way. Child, for that you have to add the suffix ish. So you are getting the new word as childish. So he was acting in a very childish way. Next one, this word is very difficult to spell and even worse, its pronunciation. It's a pronunciation. Okay, and third one, you should not have done that, it was very dash of you. You should not have done that, it was very ill thinking of you, ill thinking of you. Okay, next fourth one, he did not pass his exam, he was dash in the second attempt. He did not pass his exam, he was successful. In the bracket they are given succeed, so you have to add that you have to add the prefix full, then you can write successful. Okay, next fifth one, some of the Indian cities are dreadfully dash. In the bracket they are given crowd, so for that crowd we have to add that why, then we will write the word, new word, crowdy. Some of the Indian cities are dreadfully crowdy. Okay, next one, the team won the dash. In the bracket they are given champion. The team won the championship. The team won the championship. Okay, next seventh one, there is a very high there is a very high that they will be late. Okay, there is a very high likelihood that they will be late, likelihood. Okay, next eighth one, I could not find any dash in this theory. I could not find any weakness. I could not find any weakness in the theory. Next, there was a 3-hour dash because of the strike. There was a 3-hour stoppage. Already in the bracket they are given stop. Okay, so for that we have to add page. Okay, so suffix we have to add and we should write. Okay, there was a 3-hour stoppage because of the strike. Next, last one, you need a dash of motivation, organization and revision to learn English. You need a dash of motivation, organization and revision to learn English. In the bracket they are given combine, so you need a combination. The correct word is combination. You need a combination of motivation, organization and revision to learn English. Okay, so these also we have to fill. You can see from the material children. So by using the study material you can fill all these exercises. Okay, and as well as you have to write these antonyms also in your CW along with your question and answers. After the question and answers you should write these antonyms in your CW. Okay, remaining all exercises you should complete in your textbook itself only. Okay, so remaining grammar will go for the next class. Everybody should buy the books children. Why? Because we are completing the lessons only. Okay, so we are going for the syllabus. We have to complete the syllabus in the online class only. So everybody have the books and should complete everyone's everyday's work, CW and HW. Okay, thank you.